Well, let's see. Now, Mark, one of the things we do is we get into one of the different topics, and this week we are going to, let me just pull this up here. We're going to be talking about owner's title insurance, I believe. Is that correct?
That's right. And Rob, what I wanted to do, since I am remote, is to ask you to go to our YouTube channel and play that video explaining title insurance, because it is a complicated conversation and there's a lot of conversations about it. Do I need it? Can someone steal my title? All of those various things. But I think it's because all of our answers of the Q&As are on the YouTube channel, is to simply play that video and it'll explain exactly what I would say right here.
All right, and let's give a listen now as we pull this up here from Mark Stiles, talking again about title insurance. Mark Stiles is from Stiles Law on Route 139 in Marshfield. He joins us every Friday at this time on 95.9 WATD as we hear him telling us about the basics of owner's title insurance.
In the field of real estate, there are few topics as misunderstood as title insurance. Some believe that it's an unnecessary expense. We believe this couldn't be further from the truth. In this video, we'll explain the basics of what title insurance is, what protection it offers, and why every buyer should purchase it. Now let's get started. What is title insurance? Title insurance protects an insured against loss due to a title defect, many of which remain undetected even after a thorough title examination. Unlike other types of insurance, owner's title insurance is purchased with a one-time premium paid at closing. Coverage continues for as long as the policyholder or her heirs has or have an interest in title to the property. There are two types of title insurance. Lender's title insurance protects the lender. The lender's policy only protects the lender against a loss to the lender, not the homeowner. Lender's title insurance is almost always required, but we'll get to that in a later video. Owner's title insurance protects the homeowner and their heirs against losses due to title defects up to the policy amount. That's the purchase price of the property. Coverage continues as long as the owner or her heirs have an interest in the property, and some policy limits actually increase over time to keep pace with inflation. Title defects are actually common. Here are some of the usual covered title defects: errors or omissions in deeds, mistakes in examining records, improperly discharged mortgages, forgery, undisclosed heirs, erroneous or inadequate legal descriptions, silent or off-record liens such as mechanics liens or estate tax liens. We are commonly asked, if you've just done a title exam, shouldn't you know if there's a title defect? The short answer is no. The customary title examination reviews records at the Registry of Deeds and the Registry of Probate for a period of 50 years. If title defects occur before this point, they will go undetected. Title examiners are not looking for forgeries, missing documents, unrecorded documents, or unaccounted for errors. Frankly, title examiners are human, which by definition means that they can make mistakes. It's new construction, so the title should be clear, right? Well, actually, no. While the beautiful house you are buying may be brand new, the land that it sits on is not. Any defects that may have affected the land will also encumber your new home. So whether you're buying a brand new home or buying from a seller who has lived in the house for the past 50 years, the need to adequately protect your home remains extremely important. The purchase of a home often represents the largest investment that a person will ever make. Homebuyers should strongly consider purchasing an owner's policy as an affordable protection for this investment. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any further questions, please visit our website at stiles-law.com.
Oh, thank you, Mark Stiles. Mark Stiles, Stiles Law, Route 139 in Marshfield. And Mark, so there we go.
Yeah, so we utilize our YouTube channel very often for the frequently asked questions, and that's a question that we get virtually every closing, and we send that video out to our new clients who are buying routinely, and it helps to answer those questions. But we encourage people to go to the YouTube channel and search questions. We have a plentiful amount of videos on real estate, estate planning, being proactive, so that you're not forced to be reactive, Rob. And we encourage people to call us whenever they need. If they have a question, call us first. I know one of your advertisers say shop us last. I love that slogan, shop us last.
So do
But
I.
ours is it's great and it makes a lot of sense, but call us first to save a bunch of time. Save time. If it's something that we do, we'll take very good care, and if it's something that we don't, we will save you the time by finding the perfect partner for you.
It's an excellent resource.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad
Thank
you
you, Charlie.
appreciate it, Charlie, and go to styles-law.com. You get a link to all of Mark's YouTube videos and also contact information as well. If you want to check it out, you can find it at styles-law.com. Feel Good Friday. We do it every Friday at this time with Mark Stiles. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Charlie. Have a great week, everybody, and
You as
remember
well.
all those loved ones.